guys, in my previous video I made the structure of this headboard, and today we're gonna make these drawers. But first of all, I want to thank Inventables for sponsoring this project. So first I'm gonna build the drawer itself, then I'll attach it to the structure, and finally I'm gonna make the continuous grain drawer fronts. But actually the X-carve is gonna be doing most of the hard work. So I'm gonna use the box maker app in itself. It's super simple, you just plug the dimensions and Install does the rest. It calculates the tabs and even the dog bones, so it's super convenient for unexperienced people or just lazy people like me. Another cool thing is that you can add anything you want to the design. Ports, vents, holes, like on this other control box I made in one of my previous videos, or maybe handles or drawer pulls, like in this other drawer I made. But in this case, I'm not gonna add any of that. Anyway, enough talking, let's carve. has dried. And I think it's a good time to, you know, fit them before I ruin the final coat. So, grease. Okay, got my marks. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, so if you paid attention, there are only 3 drawers and 5 slots. Well, that's because there's gonna be some electrical stuff in here, so I'm just gonna cover it with fake drawer front. Which brings us to the drawer fronts. I'm gonna use this board to get continuous grain along the drawers. We'll see. So, shall we use the figured part? First I need to cut it. The drawer pull will just be the overhang on the bottom, so okay, cool. Let's split it into drawer frames. Now obviously I need to resaw them because they are too thick. So let's do that. First time I do this, so I'm a little bit, but it's about taking it slow. So just raise the blade slowly in several passes and we'll get there. I hope. Four more to go. You know, my table saw is not meant for this kind of continuous work, so might be overheating. But no fire yet. Here's the solution. Oh no. It's on heat mode. Fresh air. So in the meantime, I can have fun with the handsaw. This looks much better now. So, a couple of washers. Now once this is centered, push, and that's it. Now I can screw it from the back. The final one, I hope. Okay, now... Damn it! This is for sure the final. Come on! Not moving. This should be fine. I'm gonna screw it and screw it. This is much better. Now I need to fix this with something. So I decided to go with the simplest solution, that is using these L brackets, and I screwed them so that they have a little bit of a press fit, which is nice, you know. I don't even need the screws. Well, I do. So that's it for today. If you want to see how I finish this project, then stay tuned for the next video. Maybe you can even subscribe, I don't know.